So this is the Ionic Jenkins client. This is a very basic client. It's based on the Ionic Super Starter template that demonstrates how to make use of Jenkins REST API in an Ionic application. So when using the Jenkins REST API, you can perform most of all the different actions you can execute using the Jenkins web interface, but for simplicity, this project provides examples of the following. How to log in and verifying the user credentials. This is by using basic authentication. How to list all jobs currently created in the Jenkins server. How to get details of a specific job, like for example name, type, last execution time, and result. How to create a new job. In this case, different jobs require their very specific, very long list of requirements, so only the basic job is created by providing the name and type. How to request a new execution of a job. How to get information about the server, the number of executors. How to log out and erase credentials. And how to handle possible errors during the login or during the app operation using an HTTP interceptor. So you can use this template to create a larger and more complex application for Jenkins written in Ionic, or if you would like to integrate some functionality in your application that require the interaction with a Jenkins server. So since the application is running internally on a browser, you will most likely experience some coarse errors when executing REST requests to Jenkins. So to avoid this problem, you will have to do the following. In Jenkins, install the plugin Coarse Filter. Then you, in Jenkins, will have to go to Configuration and go to the section of Coarse Filter. Right there in the access control allow headers, just add the following headers: authorization, Jenkins Chrome, and content type. And in the access control allow origins, you'll have to include the URI from where you are making the request. Typically this is localhost 8100 when running the project in a browser, but you can add an asterisk just to accept any origin. And then go to Jenkins, configure global security, and activate CSRF protection and enable proxy compatibility. So after you have all the code, to run the project you will have to do the following. Go to the project folder, in this case cd Jenkins client, and perform an npm install to install all dependencies. And after that is finished, just execute Ionic serve and it will be executed on a browser. And if you want to generate your own APK for Android in this case, you will have to execute first the Ionic Cordova platform at Android and then Ionic Cordova build Android. Of course, I'm assuming that you already have the Android SDK installer on your computer and all the necessary dependencies to do that. So that's basically it. I hope that the operation of the application is clear enough. And if you have any more questions, just let me know in the comments. Thanks a lot. Bye.